Ang second natin na device ay itong IPOgram. Ito po yung katambal nitong Societrix, and that is why it says here, Societrix IPOgram. It says here, Integrative Common Reference. Integrative kasi andito sa buong page na ito. Ang lahat ng kwento ng ating peace education framework. Why it is IPOgram and common reference, we will explain later doon sa ating mga explainers. But for now, makikita natin, meron itong tatlong sections. Merong peace education section, merong Universal Declaration of Human Rights section, and yung Global Citizenship section. And that is why we call the pack Citizenship, Rights, and Peace Education. Now, if you quickly note, makikita natin, itong mga colors nitong ating Peace Education section ay purple, orange, green, and blue, corresponds precisely doon sa ating Societrix, no? Purple, orange, green, and blue. It is actually sort of a two-dimensional iteration nitong Societrix. But it's even more comprehensive. Kasi nandyan na yung buong kwento. If you look also doon sa may upper portions, may mga QR codes. They correspond to sites and resources online. Ito halimbawang virtual Societrix, makikita nyo yung virtual rendition nito. As a digital rendition ito na ma-manipulate nila online. And then itong short explainers, these are videos that explain yung buong balangkas and discussions natin sa peace education. And dito naman sa kabila, meron din itong, this is very interesting, UDHR mobile app. You can download it from Play Store and you can install it sa inyong device. It's the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as seen here. No? And then, ito namang sa upper left, it says you download 1hr.org. It is a website, 1hr.org. You can read it as onehumanrights.org or even 1hour.org. And may video doon na sa loob ng isang oras, mauunawaan natin ang ibig sabihin ng Universal Declaration of Human Rights. At meron pa doon mga ibang resources na pwede nyo i-download. Now, these two, ito at ito yung ating mga poste, mga cornerstones ng ating citizenship, rights, and peace education platform. Thank you.